Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a beautiful star ornament. So I grabbed one of those stars, wooden ones from Dollar Tree. They're actually in the crafters section. This Choose Joy metal sign, it's from Walmart. I think it was like $1.98. Some greenery and some berries. Some fine glitter. Some white chalk paint. Some Mod Podge. And you'll need some ribbon of your choice. I chose like a red and white ribbon. So the first thing I'm going to do is paint my whole star with the white chalk paint. And this took 2 coats. Once my star was all dry, I took a pair of snips and cut the hanger off of my ornament. And then I'm going to take that ornament and I'm going to hot glue that right into the center of the star. And then I took my plastic cutting board that I have. It's just like a sheet cutting board. And I laid it down underneath my star. And I put Mod Podge all around the ornament on the star. And I made sure that I didn't get any on the ornament. So I just went around all the edges of it. And then I'm going to add some of the fine glitter. And I got this glitter at Walmart. It's just a really super fine white glitter. And as you can see, I kind of got some on the ornament, so I'm just using my finger to wipe it off. I don't want any glitter on the ornament itself, so just around the edges, just on the star. And I really wish that you could see on camera just how pretty this really looks with all the glitter on it. And then I let that dry. So once my glitter was dry, I'm just going to start hot gluing my greenery right on top of the ornament that we placed on the star. So I'm just going to add a few little sprigs of greenery, and then I'm going to add 3 small berries to the center. Next, I'm going to take my ribbon, the red and white ribbon that I had, and I'm going to run that through where the original hanger was. So I'm just going to run it through and tie it in a knot, and now we have our hanger, and this ornament is all done. I think this just turned out so super pretty and would look beautiful hanging by itself. You could add it to a wreath. You could put it on your tree if you wanted to. I just absolutely love the way this turned out. I really wish that the pictures could show how it truly looks because it's really beautiful in person. I hope you enjoyed this project. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please, as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.